Hello everyone. Now I'm here visit to my brother's house and I want to show you something food here. We've eating fruits. They have fruits. So look at that. Did you see that? This is papaya. Lanchones.
Papaya, lansones yan.
Papaya yan.
Oh, sabi mo ito eh.
It's papaya, lanchones. And meet my Sister Evelyn.
Hello.
And my brother's wife, Raquel. Hi. Hello, everyone. Okay. Look at that, Raquel. Wait. Oh, lanzones. It's lanzones. Here. So, let's join us. Eat some fruits. We have papaya. This one. Wow. Papaya.
Di ko pwede yan na pag mura siya ka ng muraglaing kaon.
And who know this? What's called this?
I don't know.
Sa ito ingon ni Bolo.
May naigilutong sagi.
I really don't know. I forgot what is this name.
And durian!
And durian and the plastic because there is not season durian but we have durian.
Oh.
And my
Yummy.
sister want to eat durian. She have 3 days vacation here in Davao and the province. In the farm. Oh! Yeah, they have durian! So, maybe when I was a kid, maybe I will eat this. I don't know. I'm so curious for this one. Please leave the comment who know this kind of fruit. This is round and color red orange. That I don't know if you know this, but oh, look at that! My sister loves to eat durian. Hi Ariel, you want to see our friends? You want to hi our friends? Hi, Ariel here. So now we are eating durian. Okay, go ahead, eat durian, baby.
Malamig me. Okay
lang.
Makuha. Dito one.
Okay, now we go eat. So bye bye for now. See you later.
Langka.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Now Raquel, they cook banana. And did you see that? Let's eat cook banana. Banana from the farm. It's yummy. Let's eat banana. Hi.
Labi kayo dun pe, oh.
Si Roger puting hagok yun dito ba?
Bisag nagkuha ko tambal.
Kapo ito na eh. Wala
Who
na
wants to
siya
eat banana?
tarupok kay sa US.
Or maron.
Karon gabi eh.
Alat siya ba?
What's here inside? Salt.
Chocolate na.
This one. Oh, fish. Fish. Jackfruits. Ah!
Pinunuan.
Fish with coconut milk.
Kanta.
Pantat, hito. Okay now. Who eat? It's still hot. So later we will eat that.
Kailan kabalo man to siya Kel?
Later we will eat that.
Si Jenny oy.
Basta na aron.
So later there's more. Well, they are busy there. So let's have the walk here. Did you see they have many cocoa tree here. Chick. And this is their house. And they have flowers. And my come on. Let's have walk. Let's have walk. Huh? You're staying in the farm and I'm visiting in the farm. Let's have the look there. Hi, Ariel, come here. Hi, Baday. Come, Day, join us. Come, Day. Come. Let's have a look what is here. Oh, they have basil. Mint basil? I think this one is mint basil. Sangig. I don't know what's called in the English sangig. This is good for cook. This smell good. Maybe I have the seeds. I have already seeds this to plant in my place. I really like this. I really like basil. I wanna tour you guys here. This is my brother Vegetables garden. They have basil there. So many basil. Go back to the base. That's my niece, Baday. Ha, Baday. Come, Baday. Dali, Baday. So this is their garden. They have eggplant. Yay, they have eggplant in the garden. Yeah, they have eggplant. See the eggplant? And also, wow! They have tomato. Tomato! What's that, Dai? What happening that? Oh, did you see? They have tomato. Tomato, but I'm holding it. They have so many. They have many tomato. Wow. It looks nice here, oh.
Kulong na ba pa?
Tomato. Ano pang iba, Day? And also, this one. It's nice. You know this? You don't know what's called in English, this kind of vegetable. This one. That's not tomato. I think Philippine spinach. Philippine spinach. It's nice in the garden. Soon I will show you my garden. Now it's not yet. I'm just starting plant vegetables. Hi. So we are enjoying now explore here in my brother's garden. So show other vegetable was in there, huh, Irel? What's that? What's that beside you there? There. Oh, that's eggplant? Talong? Okay, that's talong. What's that in there, Irel? Palaya? That's there is ampalaya. They are playing, you know that? They love. Irel love playing. Yeah, my sister now picking the basil. Maybe we will get the cocoa. The cocoa fruit, huh? Now we are exploring in the garden with my sister Evelyn. I will. Oh, she found the eggplant.
And tomato.
Tomato, yeah. I already got them. Tomato. And this one. Yeah, let's go. Now we're going to look at
me.
Nice.
Haggard.
What's called this? Cacao.
Haggard me. Why too
We
long?
will going to harvest cacao so that we can eat cacao, fresh cocoa.
May look at me.
Hi.
Take a picture.
We didn't take a picture. Oh, look at that. They have cocoa. This way. This way. This is nice in the garden if you're staying in the farm. Now this is farm of my sister. My brother was living here because my sister is living in Manila, in Luzon, in Laguna. And now she's visiting here for 3 days. And now we are exploring in the farm. So we will show you. We're going to get the ripe cacao, the cocoa, so that we can show you how to eat the cocoa. Come, ate. Okay, you're the one who picked. I think this one is good. That's not lemongrass. They thought that is lemongrass. This is not lemongrass. Oh, it's not lemongrass. It's just a grass. I don't know what kind of grass. But let's go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, pick the cocoa now. Oh, I will get picked there. Dai, kuha og kutsilyo. She got pick small one because she is so small. So, Ti, ikaw harvest. Ay, okay, si ate pakwa ah. Let's explore. Now, my sister, get their first harvest. Get their first harvest since we got harvest, right, ate? When we are a child. You never been? I've been. From Mama's cacao. Mama's cocoa before. I always climb there to get that because my mother always asking, but my sister, she doesn't remember. But may I remember that I got climbed when I was a child. Now, look at their butt. She's harvesting. Look at that. Wait lang. Ayasa. Wait. Okay, I'm here. Okay, go ahead. Pick one. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay, you good. You come here. Careful.
Isa ka adlaw sa lugar.
That's how you can climb the cocoa tree. So, she's going down now. She don't know how to going down. She don't know. She don't know what she's doing, you know. I will help Tita. Dai, kutsilyo, come. Be, dali. Akin na.
Si Dodong nagbalot na dito.
So now we are here.
Day.
So let's get a try if this is sweet one or sweet sour. Oh, okay. They use that way.
Oh.
Okay. It's okay.
Ano?
Not so good, but it's fine. We will try to taste that. Okay, this is not so good, but still have good inside. Now I wanna try. Ouch! I cannot try because I'm holding. I'm holding camera, so it's hard, oh. Well, it's good. Hi, Ariel. Ariel want to show you something. She is climbing the tree. She's playing. Okay, come here. Dai, find another one, Dai. We'll find another one. It's not so good. I wanna find the good one. Should we eat like this? And so I have to take picture again. So we find another one. Join me. Who wants to climb there? Well, look at Ariel. What you have?
Dala day ka tong saging.
Show us. Cacao. Yeah, that I know that's cacao. I wanna try.
Sa spaghetti kin. Ibutan kanang pasta.
Ibutang siya.
Wait, this is a good
Ibisahan
one.
mo sa kanang
Olive oil. Kana
They
siya.
are so sweet.
Bawang
Look at
ra.
that.
Di ay pwede din na.
Oh, nya asin.
Kana.
Nya kana siya mo ibutang.
Umot na
Kaya
kayo.
white sauce ngana.
Pwede ra din na.
Oh.
May kabalo.
Kanang basket corn oil imo
Mm,
lagi
so
sa
nice.
on.
Tamis lagi. Tamis lagi.
Oh, lamig daw.
Tamis to raw. Tamis oh.
Dahil po to kang Irel.
Dali, day.
Bidaw.
Ah,
Ay, nga sayang ang kuan.
ang liso lang ay labay liso na.
Napig ibutang ako.
Don't throw the seeds. So everything, if you have the seeds, even you're eating, you should save the seeds. You know why?
Ben.
These seeds was made chocolate. The cocoa, the cacao. Tablia. It's called tablia. If you process this, you cook this, or you dry this, they cook this, and then make process to become chocolate.
Lamig kay siya no.
Dark chocolate.
Kanang mga
So
una na
this is good.
Aslom mo na. Go isa. Yo F.
They are busy too.
Lamig na.
So how it tastes like? Tell me how it tastes like. Show them.
Aslom na tamis.
Sweet and sour, she said. But for me, it's more than sweet, you know. How does it taste like, Irel?
Parehas lang man.
Sarap! Yummy, delicious. Yummy, yummy. Sarap, sarap.
Ano? Asa na si Dayday?
Sahod ka na. Away. Haning punuan diring kinatkatan. Hab na mamutos te. Ngaputos mo na sila.
Okay, that's it for now. That's for cacao looking.
Day!
Day! What's that, Day? Careful, Day!
Day, dali! Mo picture natin.
Buwa ka.
Virgin!
Hindi, ng kitsap.
Oh, dali. Tanabe! Ayaw pag-abrite ka, masaman ka.
Sa baag, hindi nyo diya, oy. Na,
Ilang trabaho pag wala ko.
Ingani glasa, Kel. Di ko pwede.
Murag santol.
this is how Baday open the cocoa. This is how they do it every day. Ah! Wow!
Kasi ta.
Ah, kadaghan na.
Pita ay mega eh.